What do you think?
We'd like to work with you, Rich. Just give us a ballpark figure for the sandwich wafers.
To begin with, I'd say close to $2 million a day. That's just the sandwiches. There's still the 1.2 million cones every day.
We have 30 new ovens on 3 production lines. They can turn out 2 million wafers a day with just 2 shifts. Add another shift and the numbers go up by 36%.
Summer's just around the corner. If we're going to go on this, we best get the ball rolling.
I'll tell you what, I see this as a co-branding Tropican ice cream on clouds sort of thing. I'll guarantee all the wafers and cones we need for current orders.
We do expect orders to increase during the peak summer months.
Then we can add another shift and bake round the clock.
Then I see no reason this won't work. We'll have the agreement drawn up and send it over to your office tomorrow.
You've got yourself a co-brand partner.
Right, partner.
Welcome to the team.
We'll start the deliveries of the wheat, sugar, and the rest on Thursday. How's that?
That'll be fine. We can start mixing within the hour. We'll be ready.